Come test drive this 2015 Chrysler 200. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power front seats. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.